Hey everyone, I wanted to hop on this video real quick and talk about the biggest trend we've seen as a multifamily team here in Orange County 2025, and that is investors are simplifying. They're consolidating. They're coming to us saying, look, we need a solution. We want to simplify. Some are cashing out. Some are looking to get into better return on equity investments that are less headaches and less hassles for them. And they're looking for us to be a solution to help find that real estate. A lot of the trend is not owning more real estate. The trend is owning the right real estate. And they want to work with somebody that has a capital allocator mindset, that understands the capital markets. They don't want to work with just another salesman that's saying, hey, list and sell and buy this. They really want to have somebody that has a deep understanding knowledge of what's going on in the marketplace, seeing what's happening on the forefront, optimizing their building to get the highest and best price. But the trend is some of these assets that have cash flowed really well over the years are starting to not cash flow as well. They're a little bit more headache management intensive. We've seen that across the board. And we've seen a lot of mom and pop investors that we help day in and day out that are looking to say, look, I want to stay in the real estate business. I want to get into better real estate that's going to help me cash flow better. This asset hasn't been performing as much. It needs more capital improvements going into it. We have buyers for that type of property, but typically those buyers, those value add buyers, are generally going to teams, people that can divide and conquer the workload and have the skill sets and resources to do so, because these things are more complex and taking up more capital and time now. So investors are saying, look, if I want to cash out, I know my number that I would have to pay in tax in order to do so. Help me do that. We've closed over 30 properties this year, and a lot of people have cashed out and paid the tax. We've also seen some people that have said, look, I would love to cash out, I just don't want to pay the tax, but what can I get into? Either through a 1031 exchange, into a DST, or get into a passive investment, something that I don't have to work the real estate. That has been a growing trend, and that aligns with simplification and consolidation. You could diversify into multiple assets, so you kind of, don't put all your eggs in one basket, but you're still simplifying, getting your time back. And we've seen that to be a growing trend. And we don't see that changing here as we enter 2026. So if we can help you in any which way in the market, we can customize a solution for you, guide you, let you know how your property is performing compared to your peers. We underwrite a number of assets. We see what is a great return on equity. We see what's not so great and where you can improve it. So if we can help in any which way, let us know. And we'll see you on the next video.